Former four-time presidential candidate Dr. Kizza Besigye has written to the High Court in Kampala protesting a directive that barred him from raising his concerns directly during his treason trial proceedings in a handwritten letter dated 2nd of October 2025. Besigye described the directive by Justice Emmanuel Baguma of the Criminal Division as both unjust and politically loaded, arguing that silencing an accused person undermines fair trial and human rights. Besigye explained that his request to personally address the judge was declined on October 1st when he appeared alongside his co-accused Hajo Lutale and Captain Dennis Ola, only to be blocked by Justice Baguma, who said he would only speak through his legal team led by senior counsel Martha Karua.
Are you still represented, or you are putting them off so that I listen to you? Are you still represented so that I know you are not represented?
I am represented, my lord, but I am raising this concern.
Yes, we must follow. But since you are represented,
okay, I put off my representation until I finish my submission.
Very good.
Yes, Ms. Lord, I'll be brief.
I have listened to you, and I am saying that Counsel Massa Senior has introduced a team of 10 lawyers as your legal representative, and unless and until they put it in writing that they are no longer representing you in writing on your concerns. So I am directing that the team of lawyers, 10 as introduced by Martha, through consultation with you, let them get all the concerns from you and they address court on your concerns. And I'm giving you some minutes to consult your client, and then you will tell me.
The judge would later allow him file his concerns in writing, promising to respond on October 8th.
Colonel, Doctor, raise all your concerns, all the issues. Put them together in writing for court to understand and craft properly all the concerns. And I'm giving you time that from today, Friday, file your concerns, and then come back here for 7th when I'm responding to those concerns that you have put in writing. The rest, you are remanded until.
So this means that I cannot talk in court?
I have placed the order that write your concerns for me to know all the
Writing from the walls of Luzira Maximum prison, where he is detained, he said, "I find it strange and oppressive that I cannot raise a concern directly in open court. If each time a written submission has to be made and time is fixed for your response, the case may never end. Meanwhile, I remain confined in prison." Besigye further demanded that the judge cite the law preventing him from voicing his concerns in person. "I request you to point me to the provisions of the law that bar an accused person from raising concerns in court touching their trial during any audience with the judge and in presence of their lawyers." Besigye is jointly charged with his aide Obed Lutale and UPDF's captain Dennis Ola on treason charges. The prosecution alleges that the trio held meetings in cities like Geneva, Athens, Nairobi and Kampala to solicit funds, acquire arms, and plan military operations intended to overthrow the Ugandan government. According to the state, Besigye met with Kurdish intelligence agent, identified only as AW, and received $5,000 to facilitate the transportation of 36 Ugandan recruits from Kisumu, Kenya, for paramilitary training. The recruits were reportedly intercepted, arrested, and deported to Uganda before the training could begin. The state further claims that Besigye requested military-grade weapons, including surface-air missiles, poison, counterfeit currency with plans to attack military installations and even allegedly to assassinate the president, Yoweri Museveni, using drone technology. The prosecution's evidence includes social media chats, video and audio recording, immigration records, and phone call logs. Besigye and Lutale were arrested in Kenya on November 16, 2024, allegedly in possession of pistols and other prohibited items. Captain Ola, said to have joined the alleged plot in October 2023, is accused of expressing support for the coup attempt in WhatsApp messages. This episode has reignited the debate over Besigye's frequent clashes with the state and judiciary, where the four-time presidential challenger has often argued that legal proceedings against him are politically engineered to silence him. This matter is expected to return to court on October 8, 2025, when Justice Baguma is scheduled to respond to Besigye's written concerns. Stay tuned as this story unfolds. Story compiled by Judith Kukunda for Uganda Radio Network in Kampala.